Hey guys, getting ready to do your general reading. It's a you and them reading. You can call it a general love reading. It's for the fire signs Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. And we'll start with Leo. Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you guys are safe. Leo. Okay. Card at the bottom of the deck is Three of Cups. Wow. You're not feeling too good, or you weren't feeling too good lately, Leo. It's as if you feel left out, you feel as if all the love has been taken away from you. You didn't feel very happy in the recent past when it comes to a love relationship or a romantic partner. Yeah, but I feel you are gaining your strength. You are finally getting out of that energy, this energy, and feeling more in your elements, feeling strong mentally, physically. Some of you are paying attention to your physical health, your fitness. Yeah, there was some kind of emotional struggle. Oh my god. Yeah, somebody was not giving in to this connection. Somebody, um either you or this other person that you're thinking about, could be another fire sign individual, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, because I see a lot of water energy. Could be an earth sign individual as well, but you've got the beautiful manifestation card over here. And I think, yeah, this connection did not really give you that mental peace. You felt as if even the smallest of conversations led to arguments, they led to um, struggles, and they left you in a place of, oh my god, Leos. You've got the tower here, but you're moving on. Great. You felt as if you were faced against ordeals. You were always pushed against the wall when it came to even the slightest of conversations. This person made you feel as if you were arguing when you were just trying to let them know how you feel, Leo. It was a struggle, it was an ordeal. But now you're moving on. I see that it was a horrible ending. It did not make you feel good at all. Some endings liberate you, but this one kept you, held you captive for a very long time. But now you are gaining strength, you are gaining that power back. You're also feeling as if there was some kind of karma that needed to be um, done with, that needed closure, and now a conclusion actually. And now you are moving on. You're manifesting good things for for yourself, and I feel there is somebody who is coming your way. Could be a younger person, could be very youthful, could be there can be an age gap between the two of you. Either you are younger or this person is younger, but I feel the person who's coming next in your life is younger. Could be an Aquarius or a Scorpio, Pisces, or Cancer, or somebody who has heavy water in their charts. Could be a Scorpio as well, like a proper Scorpio, only Scorpio coming your way. Could be another fire sign individual. Yeah, I'll just draw one more card as a wrapping up um, message for you. But Leo, I'm happy that you guys are getting out of this turmoil, this relationship where you weren't you weren't appreciated, and your message, your message, sorry, your efforts went unnoticed. And as Leos, we're not demanding. We, uh, all we want is that love, that loyalty, and the fact that um, the fact that we have somebody who loves us no matter what and makes us feel special. Because the other things, I feel we're very capable of getting what we want, but these are things that we don't have, like somebody to make us feel special. I know, I know we are great advocates for self-love, but let's face it, we all need somebody to, end the day with, share your good and bad moments and share somebody else's good and bad moments also, like they're your partner's good and bad moments, and be that best friend to somebody who you can have a romantic relationship with as well. But you are manifesting this, and it's a big yes. In case you guys had a question, like whether or not regarding a person, then it's a big yes. Probably you guys already have this person in mind and they've already entered your life. And if not, they will be entering your life. And it's going to be beautiful because you finally get what you deserve, Leo. You finally get the kind of loyalty, love, and warmth you deserve and that you're willing to give. Cool. Let's move on to Aries. Yep. Hey Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Oh my god, okay. Aries, what's wrong? What happened? This should have come up right. And now it's like this. Okay, okay. Card at the bottom. Oh, even you've got Three of Cups. Are you guys involved in a third party situation? Are you in love with somebody who's already committed, who's already married? Somebody who is probably younger than you, or you are younger than them, but they're immature, very immature. This person could be a father to their kids, he or she could have kids, father or mother, actually. Even though they're offering you love, they're showing you this beautiful future, don't forget that probably they are already with somebody. Or if not, if you're not aware of their wife or spouse or something, you know you should find out, Aries. Don't get into it because I feel that there is somebody who is a part of their lives, and probably they are showing that person the same picture. It could be a player, guys. Could be an earth sign individual or a fire sign individual. Sorry, I'm really fumbling today. Uh, yeah, could be a Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra as well. An air sign individual. Find out. Just find out. This could be a false picture because I feel there is. I feel there is somebody, and if not, then great, because it's a general reading and it may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay, this card wanted to come out. I see struggles. I see they're not being honest with you. Aries, please find out about this person because there's just too many people involved here. And if you want a stable future with them, please, please find out. Yeah, I see another third party situation card. This person is trying to communicate with you, being all loyal, trying to show you a picture. I'm not saying this person is absolutely deceptive. Probably they are deceiving themselves as well, you know? They're living in denial. Some people just don't, if they're facing problems in their marriage and they want to be with somebody else, they just completely block themselves to the fact that they are married or they have kids, and they start having these affairs, ruining everybody's lives. So please, Aries, just find out, because I don't see this person as very loyal and truthful. About, actually, I don't see any honesty basically. Even if they're showing you this beautiful picture, yeah, you need to find out. They are involved with somebody, and if they're not involved right now, they will be involved in the future, because it's not a time specific reading. Yeah, let's get another message for you to clarify. They feel burdened by this relationship, by this marriage that they are in, and they're trying to look for love outside, you know. But oh, let go, guys. Either they are not being able to let go of somebody, or you are asked to let go of this person, because this person needs help. There are fights in his lives or her lives. They are committed to a person they're not happy with, and I'm sensing it's a married life that this person is committed in, and he or she has responsibilities as a parent as well, and they are just pushing it away to be with you, which is unfair, because obviously it is unfair by all means. So have a talk with them, probably ask them what it is that they're hiding. If they come clean, great. If not, then I think you should do some investigation, you know. Try and find out, guys. I mean, I'm not even kidding. I can see it in the cards. It's there are a lot of people involved here. There are a lot of people, and there are a lot of mental turmoils involved here, and I don't think you should go into a relationship that is so messy, Aries. Let's move on to Sagittarius. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Oopsies. Oopsie. Sagittarius. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, Sagittarius. Card at the bottom of the deck. What's happening? You guys are just carrying on that the legacy of bottom cards. Like Aries carried the Three of Cups from Leo, and you're carrying this. Anyway, Sagittarius, I feel you guys are finally going to be reaping the fruits of your labor. Whoever this person is that you're waiting for or are awaiting communication from has been shut off in the past but is now going to open up. You have been trying to, get them to open up about their feelings, but they haven't been able to because they were too caught up in their own lives. I feel you guys were together in the past and it ended for some reason. This person took a break, you took a break, and now things are turning. They were stuck, they did not know what they wanted in life, either you or they should have paid more attention to their education or something, and there was a horrible ending. An ending with no sign of a new beginning. But I feel you guys are more grounded now. You are more. You've got the Seven of Pentacles again. You're more practical when it comes to this relationship, even though you guys are emotional about it, being Sagittarius. No matter how honest you guys are, there's a part of you that's like a little baby and wants to be nurtured and cared for. And this person is willing to give you that, but they want some space right now. They are paying attention to their life. They're paying attention to their career, their probably they are studying, so they need to, pay attention to their academics. 7th of the coming month or the 14th of the coming month is going to be important. Probably around that time you will be communicating with somebody, and probably this person is going to be coming around and communicating with you. Yeah, I feel they were juggling with a lot of things. They were trying to balance things out, but things weren't that easy to cope with when this ended. But now I feel things are slowly becoming better, times are changing, and you guys are going to be together very soon. Pay attention to their messages. If they text you, if they try to call you, don't ignore them. Even if you're a bit angry at them, don't ignore their calls, because probably that'll act as a block, Sagittarius. Somebody new could also be coming your way if you don't have a person in mind. Somebody who doesn't stay next to you. It's a definite yes though. And the card here is romance. So yeah, Sagittarius. The cycle is going to begin if it's a new one, and resume if it's an old one. Things are going to look better. They look better actually. They're going to be better. And trying times are finally over. That communication that you were so longingly waiting for is finally coming your way, Sagittarius. I see good things happening for you. I hope you guys are happy, safe. I'm sending you lots of love, light, and hugs. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye.